Hello everybody, and welcome to this week's Tech Cookie. As always, I hope this recording finds you and your family well. And this week, I thought I would focus on a service we've had for a couple months now, but it's kind of been flying under the radar, which I think once you see it, you're going to really want to make sure that that doesn't happen anymore because it's a very valuable service. It's called CreativeBug, and it's basically a portal for videos and a community that centers around making crafts in your home. We know from our YouTube channel that our Crafts with Angie are our most popular videos, so if you enjoy those videos, you're really going to enjoy CreativeBug. So let me just give you a quick tour and show you a couple things about it, and then you can go ahead and explore it on your own. So here we are on our familiar homepage, and I should let you know that we're actually in the process of redesigning our homepage. So depending on when you may view this video, it may look a bit different. But in the redesign, CreativeBug is still going to have a link on the homepage, so you'll still be able to find it. But here it is down here, and you would just click here, and then you log in using your Montville barcode, your library barcode number. I've gone ahead to save us some time today. I've gone and logged in myself. So here we are on the CreativeBug homepage. And what I like to start with is if you just hover over classes, you can kind of see broad categories here. I'm just going to go ahead and click on Craft Technology for this demonstration. And let's go ahead and choose the first course. Now you'll see here there's a whole bunch of classes that fit that sort of broad topic, in this case craft technology, but it could be quilting, it could be knitting, it could be whatever you're looking for. You can also do its search up here, so if there's like a particular topic you're interested in, you can search here, and you can see if you can find a video about that topic. You'll notice that all the videos are labeled with the length of the video, so depending on how much time you have, you may be able to watch an hour-and-a-half video, you may only have time for 7 minutes, but at least you see that up front. So let's just go ahead for demonstration purposes and choose the first video here, which is called Illustrate and Procreate. Procreate is a tablet-based sort of freehand drawing and design program. And you'll notice right off the top you have user rating. So this video is very highly rated. It's got 4.8 out of 5 stars, 134 reviews, so a lot of people have looked at it. Obviously, this is your play button right here, so you can just go ahead and start playing the class.
Procreate is a digital drawing app that's available on your iPad. I use it in...
That's that. And you can see it's broken down into chapters. So again, if you don't have time to watch an entire hour-and-a-half long video, you can watch chapters and sort of break it up. You'll notice down here too, there's class discussion. So you can look at comments that other people have made about this video or questions that they have, and then there's even replies as well. So there's definitely a community aspect going on here. You can also see related classes, which is kind of neat. And another neat feature is if you click on this button here that says Gallery underneath the video, you can actually see projects that people have created based on what they learned in this video. So it's pretty cool because it kind of can really be an inspiring thing to see what other people have done and what they've been able to create on their own, and it sort of pushes you forward to try yourself. Another very useful feature here is watch list. So if you don't have time to watch the whole thing, or you want to click on a video to watch later, you just add it to your watch list. And if I go to my account up here, I can click on my watch list. And here it is right here. So very easy to create, a series of videos that you might want to check out later when you have more time. Finally, I just wanted to show you the instructors and the inspiration. So one thing about this channel that's awesome is that these are experts in their fields that have been handpicked, that are really great at also not only being craftspeople, but also at teaching. So they're both artistic geniuses and teaching and instruction geniuses. And there's a lot of them, as you can see. There's a lot of content on this website, more than any one person could possibly take in a year or more easily. There's a lot to study here. And, again, this is actually a subscription-based service. But the great thing is, with the library, you get to access all the content with your library card for free through us. So take advantage of that. Take advantage of this gallery of experts. And then finally, inspiration. There's something called inspiration feeds. And so this is just like ever continuing, constantly updating feed of projects that people have created using CreativeBug. And so you can just see, and it updates all throughout the day, every day. So you can constantly see what people are working on. You can make comments. You can heart things. You can really just get involved. So it's great that it's a very, individually focused service where you can sort of search for the videos that really appeal to you and the crafts that really appeal to you, but it's also a wider community as well at the same time, so you can see what other people are doing, get inspired, and hopefully become a even better craftsperson yourself. And so that's about it for CreativeBug. I really hope you guys jump in and have fun, and let us know here at the library about any great things you might have created through this service. And I'll see you next week. Take care.